It's happy mail time at Guys Craft 2. Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and I hope that you're having an amazing week. But I received the latest from Island Quilter up in Vashon, Washington. And if you don't know who that is my supplier, my hookup, my go-to for Tula Pink fabric because they have a Tula club and I ended up joining their Tula club. So this is part of that monthly subscription. Also, if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome. Thanks for being here. This is where I do just an unboxing, typically once a month, to see what new Tula fabrics that I have received. I am not sponsored. I am not an affiliate. I have nothing associated with Island Quilter other than the fact that I joined their Tula Club and I love to open it on air to see what is in the package. So I have not opened the package. So let's dive right in and see what they have sent this month. So I do get half-yard cuts. Typically I get 5 half-yard cuts and I have no idea what Tulas I'm getting. Sometimes it's new and sometimes it is older patterns from them. So it's always a variety and it's always fun. So they do wrap it in just brown paper and that for us, which is cool. The one month I opened it, it had the owl just staring right at me. And oh my gosh, guys, look. So part of this one is going to be, excuse me, Gray Works. And so when you open it and you see that wolf, I mean, someone took time, right, to actually focus and get that put together just the right way for you. So looks like this month I'm getting mostly fat quarters, a lot of fat quarters. So this is part of that Wolf on Pink collection. So I am super, super happy about that. Can never have too many of those wolves. Companion fabric with it, right? And again, now you know why John is up to 3 drawers, going to 4 probably soon for Tula Pink. So some of this I have, but some of it you just can't have enough of. You know, this is one of those where you go, oh yeah, it's a blender, nice. But you know what, guys, you need it, right? And one more. So I've got 5, and I think they are half-yard cuts still, right? Yeah, so those are 18 inches. Right, so those are 18 inches. So I got 5 half-yard cuts of these collections. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I got another collection. So I think what's happening is they're hitting us every other month now, but I'm getting double, right? So I'm getting 2 months worth. I'm just not getting it monthly. I'm getting it every other month. And there's probably an email somewhere that told me that and I didn't notice it. And yeah, it's all good. So what else am I getting? So, oh guys. All right, so let's, come on, John, open this up so people can see. So here is the Fishies collection, right? So this is Tula's, what did we call this? Oh, the Floral Reef, right? This is the new Floral Reef collection. So there's one. Guys, I love this one. And this is Family Tree. And I do not and have not had any of this collection. So I'm pretty psyched to get this one because I have not, in all the Tula that I've got sitting around, I did not have a part of that collection, or at least I did not have that piece. Again, another blender, which is fine. I like that because I love the weight and the quality of Tula. And then again, right, Floral Reef. Look at how adorable. I love these seashells. If you know, I have done a, I did do a quick charm quilt out of the new floral reef just because I needed to fill an order, and I grabbed a charm pack, a floral reef to finish. I have not cut in to the actual fabric though. So guys, I ended up getting 10 half-yard cuts. 4 of those were the new floral reef. Part of that is the wolf on, what did she call this? Wolf on Pink Street, along with some of the other prior collections. So really a nice combination. But man, I'm telling you, I really need to do some fussy cutting and do some work on that. That would really make a nice 8, 8 or 10, 8 or 9 inch block, right? And then do half square triangles and the other around it in that. I haven't figured out. I've got to find the patterns. I haven't figured out the patterns that I want to do that with. But overall, as always, very happy with the collection, what Island Quilter brings me. Of course, you know, I think they could just tell me almost that it's Tula Pink and I would just like it, but that's honestly not true. I do love Tula. I love to watch her story. I hope one day Tula reaches out and says, hey, I want to be your buddy. And if she does, that would be amazing. And if she doesn't, doesn't matter. I'm still going to support her. I still love her work. I think she does some amazing things for us. So thanks for dropping in. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your morning. I hope your week goes super, super well. I'll be live at Cutting Up and Piecing Out Thursday at 6:30 p.m. Arizona time, and as always, live on 4 p.m. on Sundays, Arizona time. So I'm John, Guys Craft 2. I hope you have an amazing week. And as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.